Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to, because this is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. You don't have to message me, ha. Hindi nyo na kailangang mag-message. Or pwede na kayong dumiretso sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Virgo, ano yung blessings in the next 30 days? Ano yung blessings ng mga Virgo? Uy, merong celebration na finally meron kang na-achieve. Kumbaga, nagbunga na yung mga pinaghirapan mo. 'Di ba? Ito yung time na parang iniisip mo, kailan ko ba makukuha yun? O ayan, makukuha mo na siya. You also have the Hanged Man, the Seven of Cups. Meron kang pinag-iisipan for the longest time. Matagal mo na tong gustong gawin, sabihin, i-pursue. Ano man to, this can be relationship, getting into a relationship, or starting a new business or career, na finally you're going to make up your mind. Meron ka ng decision. Ayan. The Two of Cups. Some of you, this is about relationship. Like getting into a relationship na finally na-realize mo, okay, I have to do this. I have to be more committed sa relationship na to. Or you have to be committed sa business partnership na to or sa trabaho na to. Dahil kung dati parang inisip mo, para sa akin ba talaga to? Yung tipong hindi ka sigurado. But now, meron na siyang clarity. I also see some of you na magkakaroon ng friend. This can be a new friend, okay? New friend na will help you move on or overcome your challenges. So, halimbawa, you are going through something. Tapos, meron kang makikilalang kaibigan na magbibigay sa'yo ng wisdom, ng knowledge, ng care, compassion na kailangan mo. And magbibigay sa'yo ng courage, lalakas yung loob mo. There's also a major decision that you have to make regarding money or business. But I think yung magiging decision mo rito ay makakabuti talaga para sa'yo. You have the Magician. This is about yung being able to manifest your desires. Some of you are manifesting a position sa work or like a level or status sa business or career ninyo na mas maipapakita nyo yung skills nyo, yung talents and abilities nyo. So, mas marirecognize kayo. So, yun yung magdadala sa inyo sa pedestal, kumbaga. Oo. So, if you are a content creator, for example, meron kang videos na mag-viral. So, yun yung mag-open ng opportunities for you. Ito yung mga dati mo pang ginagawa or dati mo pang projects na ngayong Mercury retrograde, pwedeng babalik yan. Tapos, ire-reward ka. Diba may mga ganon na, halimbawa, ilang taon na yung video na yon, wala naman nanonood. And then, biglang nag-viral, ganon. May na-trigger or na-trigger siya ng algorithm. Nag-viral yung video. Ganon. Or even, music. Diba? May mga music na, nung nirelease yon, hindi yun sikat, pero ngayon sumisikat siya. Ganong klaseng energy, okay? So, anything you did in the past will finally, kumbaga may iha-harvest ka na dun. Sa ginawa mo sa past. The time is ripe. Ripe na raw, hinog na nga daw. For creation and connection, focus your attention in these areas. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. So, some of you nga, part ng blessings ninyo is yung sense of maturity ninyo. So, when it comes to, making decisions, reassessing your life, mas mature ka na kaysa dati. So, kumbaga, less na yung mga pagkakamali. Mas nagtumatama na yung mga decision mo. It really works for you now. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.